Get indoors, get to your safe spot. This tornado warning will continue until 8:15 p.m. and does include Leon and Gadsden County. 110 miles per hour, putting it right on that upper limit of a Category 2 hurricane, expecting it to intensify into a Category 3 hurricane later on. The tornado spotted was right here, continuing to push southward and eastward towards Tallahassee at about 45 miles per hour. So I repeat that this is a confirmed tornado on the ground near Midway, continuing to push eastward and southward at 45 miles per hour. Behind me, plenty of blue skies and sunshine after the clouds dissipated throughout the morning. If you are in any of these areas highlighted by the red box here, make sure that you stay indoors, make sure that you stay away from windows. This is a confirmed tornado on the ground pushing eastward towards Crawfordville. Feels like every bit of 104 degrees outside right now. Large amounts of rain for our entire region, but those storms moved through at about 50 to 60 miles per hour, so they got through pretty quick. Look at that low humidity, 41%. That is due to that 61-degree dew point, which could be a concern if that snow does melt, which will create some black ice. Moving north at 12 miles per hour. Expecting it to make landfall as a Category 3 hurricane. So some devastating winds, some torrential downpours are possible with Hurricane Michael when it makes landfall, contributing to all this tropical moisture that has been moving up the East Coast. Mixture of sun and clouds throughout the majority of the day. As we get into tomorrow morning, temperatures will be dipping down into the low to mid 30s, so make sure to pack your layers before you head out tomorrow for work. Can't make it out to the lake? Head on over to CBS 19's Patriotism in the Park. A little bit more moisture to work with as we move down into the peninsula. A pair of threes over in Quincy. So cooler temperature is something we haven't experienced since March. Those clouds stuck around throughout the majority of the day. Starting to see some clearing throughout the evening hours though. Friday morning, waking up temperatures in the low 70s. Some patchy fog is possible for your Friday morning. Friday afternoon could see some scattered showers and storms start to develop in the afternoon and early evening hours. Temperatures will once again top out in the lower 90s for your Friday. Saturday morning, few lingering showers will stick around. Some possible fog again for your Saturday as well. Temperatures in the low 70s. Saturday afternoon could see some severe thunderstorms. The reds and oranges on the Futurecast here do indicate the heaviest of the rain. So if that rain makes its way any more south, could see anywhere from 1 to 3 inches of rain for your Saturday, with temperatures remaining in the upper 80s. Umansky Auto Group's 7-day extended forecast has 91 degrees for your Friday. Temperatures dipping back down into the upper 80s for your Saturday. Good evening, Tallahassee. I'm student meteorologist AJ Willy here with an absolutely gorgeous sunset over top of Doak Campbell Stadium here in Tallahassee tonight. It was another beautiful Thursday with temperatures reaching the 80-degree mark for the first time since January 1st. You can see we're well above average, almost even got up to that record temp we set back in 1957. Satellite and radar here shows that low pressure system currently situated over the state of Illinois, continuing to push eastward, bringing a lot of rain to much of the Central Plains region and plenty of snow to the northern half of the Great Lakes region. Expecting that cold front to potentially bring some rain to the Tallahassee area early for your Friday morning. A little more locally here, not having to deal with any precipitation, just a few scattered clouds in the upper levels of the atmosphere. Your Futurecast here shows that as we get into later on Thursday night, still expecting mostly clear skies, just a few clouds down near the coast. And as we get into your Friday morning hours, here's that line of showers that I was referring to earlier, starting to make its way into the northwestern part of the Big Bend. Another foggy morning is expected for your Friday, so make sure that you are careful when you're heading out to work or heading to class tomorrow. As we progress throughout the day on Friday, those clouds start to dissipate in the early afternoon hours, with temperatures only getting up into about the upper 60s to lower 70s for your Friday, but it's going to be another nice day. Your day planner for tomorrow, as I said, foggy conditions are expected for the early morning hours. Temperatures will quickly rise into the upper 60s as we get into the lunchtime hours, and then topping out right about that 70-degree mark as we get into the late afternoon and early evening hours. Your 4 FSU weather 7-day forecast has 70 degrees for your Friday, with that chance for just some scattered early morning showers. As we get into Saturday and Sunday, temperatures will be right around 69 degrees for your Saturday and Sunday before the rain does make its way back into the forecast for early next work week.